when the market is consolidating, right? If you see a line that starts printing, buyers liquidity coming up right there, if the price goes into that range and then bounce immediately as soon as it touches that particular liquidity, what it means is the strength of the buying order from institution is so strong. Once the price comes to that level, the buying kicks in, they are able to fill the order, and then they are able to add more buy orders. It's pushing up. That's what it is. That's what we're going to look for. Same thing what we're going to do. Anytime the price moves up, and then we are coming down, if you see something like same thing, if you see like the strongest liquidity is there, something like already building up, very huge quantity, what are you going to do? When the price come back to that level, touch that particular thing and then reverse immediately, immediate rejection, something like you touch the static electric current, how fast you take your hands off, you feel some kind of reaction. Price, once it touches, it pull back immediately. Why? Once the price touches, it triggers the limit orders, and then it brings up a lot more buy orders into the market that pushes the price up. That's what we're looking for. So the same way, opposite side is also true. When there is a momentum in the market down, if you see the liquidity, something like it starts to build something like this, you need to wait till how the price moves. Something like price moves down there, it goes up. As soon as it touches, it's come back down. This is what we're going to use as we saw the strongest red line. Price went there, went to the liquidity. As soon as the price touches the strongest ask, level to ask, price is immediately triggered, the sell orders is coming down. That's what we're going to look for. So in that context, I want to take a look at this particular chart right here. Look at this one. Remember what we talked about? When the price has come back down, touches the liquidity, immediately it bounces back, and then what happens? Price goes back again. One more chance. So because this is what I showed you in the example. Look at this one. Look at this. When the prices went back, pulling back, the strong liquidity right there. Once it touches, it moves back.